This video I'm going to be showing you how to create an air filter similar to this one here using the loft and the circular command. There's quite a few methods of doing this, but I'm going to show you my way. So first go to New, Standard, Create, Sketch, select XY, select the center drawn here, and select Line. What we want to do this is we want 3-inch. Turn off the center line, select line, just draw a line up towards it and let it snap on there. Go to dimension, get the angle for that one. We want 6 degrees, and from here to here we want 2 inches. Now we go to mirror, select the two lines, select mirror line, select center line, and apply. Now what we want to do is just delete the center line here. Say OK. Go to the origin, select the XY plane, as you can see. Go to plane, offset from plane. Type in 4-inch for this. As you can see, made another plane there. Okay, so select that plane if you can. Go to sketch. Now what you want to do is go back and draw that center line again. Let's draw that one. We want 1.5 for this. Turn off the center line. We're going to do the same thing. Just draw a line up, connecting it there. And the same thing with the degree. We want 6 degrees. The dimension for that point to this point will be 1 inches. So don't get confused with the green line and the color line here, because they're all in a different plane. So just to make sure that it's separate. And then what we want to do is mirror again. Select mirror line and apply. Erase the center line, hit OK. Now we're going to do a loft command. Select there and select there. Hit OK. And there you have it. We're getting close. So what I'm going to do is just turn off this this plane here. Okay, so we're almost there. What we do after this is we want to select the circular, select the rotate axis with the Z axis. As you can see, we want 30 inches, 30 placement for that. As you can see, it's all lined up. Say it OK. There you have that. We want to do the shell here, and 0.1 is good enough, so I'm going to say OK. There you have it. Now what we're going to do is select this piece here, say sketch, select that until it turns green, snap it onto the top end there so you see it turns green there. Say OK. Extrude. So select the highlight there and select the other highlight there so it's solid. What I want for this one is 0.5. There you have it. And then now we're going to go down this side here. Select that. Go and select the circle. Go to the center until you see the green dot. Snapped. Another green up top. Hit OK. Actually, let me go back to the sketch. So go back into edit sketch. Draw another circle. I want 3-inch for this one. Say OK. That's how I wanted it. So this is how it's going to look like. Once you do that, you want to go to extrude. Select, highlight the outside. Select that and select that, but not the inside here. You just want to select that piece and say OK. 0.5 is what we're going to be using. Now select it again, edit sketch, draw another circle. Outside it's going to be a 3.5. Say OK. Once you get that, another extrude. We want this one to be 3 inches far. And pretty much we're almost done, so all we have to do now is just use the fillet for it. That will be all. So first you go into fillet. I want to start out with this one first. Here, let's see, 0.25, it looks good. And then what we want for this one here, go back, if you turn it off, you want to go back to the fillet again. Select that. For this one, I want 0.5. There you go. Back to fillet, if you turn it off, I want this one to be 0.125. Select that one, and also I want this one to be 0.125. Apply. Now I'm just going to clean it up a little bit here. So I'm going to select that, select circle. I'm going to draw 2.5 for this, and draw one more circle with 2.25. I'm going to add a little depth to it, so I'm going to do extrude cut. I'm going to give it a 0.025 for this, and then said OK. Oh, let me try it again here. Extrude cut 0.025. Let's do 0.125. That's a little too much. I'll go 0.0625. There we go. As you can see, it's a little bit of a depth there. So the final thing that I want to do now is to fillet the end corner here. I'm going to give it about 0.06252. So let's say fillet that 0.0625. There we go. That's still a little too much. I'll go 0.125. No, 0.0125. 0.025. Okay, there. I'm satisfied with this. I'm gonna go with this one, and then I'll do another selection on that. I'll say OK on the inside here and the outside, as you can see. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a circular. Select those two fillet there. Select the rotation axis, which is going to be a Z axis. Now what I want to do is type in 20. 30 actually. There we go, 30. That's what I did. Okay, voila. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. There's your filter. Now you could also add some, color, generic color, or any of those default color that you want to add onto it, or material of your choice. But this is the filter, air filter. So that's it. Alright, have fun with it. If you have any questions, just let me know.